In today's lesson, we will learn how to create a cyanotype. Cyanotype is a photographic printing process that creates a cyan blue image. This is an example of a cyanotype made using a photograph. You can also make cyanotypes using physical objects. To do this, you place the physical objects on the sheet with the solution and develop as normal. What you will need to create your cyanotype is cyanotype liquid part A and B. You will need to mix these two equally in a cup. You will also need a sponge or a brush to apply the solution to a page. You can use plain A4 printing paper. Here is an example of my page with the solution applied, and it gives a pale green colour. This is the image I took that I wanted to use to create my cyanotype. If you're using an image, there are some things you need to do before you can use it. You first need to invert your image, which I'm demonstrating now. You go to Pine Tools Invert and you upload your image. Once your image is inverted, you need to download it and print it onto acetate paper. Acetate is clear printing paper. The reason you need to invert it is so that the opposite image develops. The areas with no ink will develop dark blue and the areas with ink will stay white. This is what acetate looks like. You can develop the cyanotype solution in the sun, or you can use a UV light. After a few minutes, your cyanotype will be developed. It will appear paler at first, but once you wash the solution off, the image will come out stronger. How long you develop it with the light or the sun will depend on how strong the colours and contrast are. Here I'm washing the solution off using plain water, although you can use lemon juice as well, which is said to make the image appear stronger. Once you've washed off the solution, some green liquid will come off the sheet. Then you can lay out your image once you're happy with it on a flat surface to dry. You now have a completed cyanotype. You can see here the clear contrast and detail of the image. There is some overexposure in the middle of the image from the light being held there for too long. This is the completed image.